Everybody seems so busy. Hindi naman maitatangging kailangan nating kumita dahil hindi naman natin may iwasang hindi gumastos. Pero, kasya ba ang buwan ng kita mo? Kasya ba na pangtustos sa lahat ng kailangan mo at ng pamilya mo? May sumusobra ba sa kita mo for your family's leisure? Isa lang ang solusyon. Kailangan mong kumita ng well, bakit di ka sumali sa OneBro? OneBro is using newest trend in technology to meet our needs, both business and pleasure. OneBro is an electronic loading business using one SIM load-all system that makes every loading easy and rewarding. Ano? Gusto mo bang sumali? Ito ang compensation plan para alam mo kung paano ka kikita ng There are 7 ways to earn. 1. Sell e-loads. Sino ba naman ngayon ang walang cellphone? Ayon sa survey, there are 100 million SIM cards used sa Pilipinas in 2012 at inaasahang tataas ito hanggang 117 million by the end of 2016. Ibig sabihin, you have more than 100 million possible load buyers. Sell e-loads or personal lifetime discount. Save up to 25% discount in more than 400 products. 2. Unlimited retailer sign-up. This simply means that you can register everyone who wants to be a OneBro retailer. Yes, you've heard me right. Everyone. Pwede mong iparegister ang dad mo, ang mom mo, ang brothers mo, ang sisters mo, ang lolo at lola mo, and even your circle of friends. Remember, it's unlimited. Every registration ay kikita ka ng 200 pesos. So imagine, if you have 50 retailer registrations times 200 pesos, then you'll get 10,000 pesos in an instant. Oh, galing diba? 3. Override bonus. Kung ikaw ay isang OneBro dealer, you are entitled to an override bonus of up to 2% from your unlimited number of retailers. For example, if you have 50 retailers and they are selling 500 pesos worth of load every day, ibig sabihin nito ay 25,000 pesos worth of load sale araw-araw or 750,000 pesos for a month. Mula sa monthly sales mo na 750,000 pesos ay magkakaroon ka ng 1 to 2% override bonus na nagkakahalaga ng 7,500 to 15,000 pesos. Can you believe it? How's that for a monthly bonus? 4. Direct referral. Every OneBro dealer has the privilege of referring one who wants to be a dealer and earn 500 pesos from each direct referral. Ibig sabihin, kung may 10 direct referral ka monthly, you will have additional income of 5,000 pesos. Talagang hahataw ka sa pagkita dito sa OneBro. 5. Indirect referral bonus. Indirect referrals are those who are endorsed by your direct referrals. Maaaring hindi mo sila kilala at maaaring hindi ka rin nila kilala, pero maaaring kumita ka pa rin sa kanila dahil may 25 pesos ka per indirect referrals. Kaya hindi ka na nagtratrabaho, kumikita ka pa rin sa pinagtrabahuan ng iba. Grabe na ito, di ba? Hindi pa tapos yan. We have what we call the power of 5. Ganito yan. Kung ikaw bilang dealer ay magkaroon ng 5 direct referrals at sila naman ay nagkaroon din ng tigli-5 direct referrals at bawat isa sa 25 referrals na ito ay magtratrabaho upang makakuha ng tigli-5 referrals and so on and so forth until you reach the 8th level, then your potential income will be 12,209,375. And now, it's getting bigger and better. 6. Pairing bonus. Placing your direct referrals to your left and right will earn you additional 500 pesos pairing bonus. And since referring is unlimited, Then sa tuwing maglalagay ka ng referral mo side by side, ay nagkakaroon ka ng lagi ng 500 peso bonus. Pero, you can only have a maximum of 30,000 pesos pairing bonus a day. Hindi na ito masama dahil may potential kang magkaroon ng tumataginting na 900,000 monthly pairing bonus kung maaabot mo araw-araw ang maximum pairing bonus. 7. Leadership Override Bonus. You can earn 10% from pairing bonuses sa lahat ng iyong direct referrals. Kaya sa tuwing kumikita sila sa pairing bonus, ay nagkakaroon ka pa ng kita. Kakaiba talaga ang compensation system na ito ng OneBro. Kaya ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Sali ka na sa OneBro! Join us now for only 3,988 pesos for most rewarding business of your life by becoming a OneBro dealer. At good news, dahil lahat ng sasali sa team na ito ay magkakaroon din ng ganitong video with your name and contact number. For more details, please visit www.myoneBroglobal.com.